set to the left, position left, little moving, and second gear. That's very good. That's it. You are inside lane.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then they complaining that you go in front of them.
Yeah.
Alright, now next roundabout, we're gonna go second gear straight. Slow down a little bit. Go second gear. Off the clutch, set to the left, and continue from the left. Set to the left, and then check left mirror. That's it, signal left, and just continue. And carry on. Slow down second gear. If you think you're going to stop first gear, fine then. You're going to come to stop in first gear. But second gear, in case you're going to go. Like that, see?
Yeah.
So,
slowed down a little bit much there. I could have gone to first, but...
slow down a little bit. Got car come from there. The signal left, stay to the left then. It was very late moving.
Yeah.
So position to the left from the beginning. Right, keep going straight. Now next roundabout, we're going to go straight second exit. Now, I want you to go slow down to go second gear now. Slow down a little bit. A little more, second gear. And then, yeah. Think about that white car coming this way. Stop. First gear. Because you can tell from the position and the steering. Yeah? And then you can move to the left lane. Yeah? Make sure left lane. And then check left mirror signal left. Now slow down to go second gear. And then off the clutch. You got a chance to go? Yeah. Think about one. So ignore that one. Keep going round. Two. Check left mirror. And signal left, yeah? So that's good. And then I would like you to pull up on the left behind that silver car, please. Okay, thank you very much.
Actually got it right this time.
Yeah. Turn the engine off for a second, thank you. Alright, so what do you think? How is that?
Yeah, it's getting a lot better than I have done in my other lessons, yeah. I think so.
So in which way?
Well, more confident, choosing positions beforehand, maintaining position while going around the roundabout, I think are generally better. It's just judging when I can and can't go a little bit more effectively, I think.
Yeah, so you need to judge the right time to go.
Yeah.
And also if you're being blocked by the car next to you, just let them go, and then you're going to have a clear view.
Yeah.
Alright, that's the end of today's lesson. We're going to leave it there until the next time.
Sounds good. Like and subscribe.
Alright, okay, thank you. Just like you say. Like and subscribe, guys. And I hope this is helpful. And we'll catch you next lesson.
Thank you.
Okay, yes.